Hello and welcome, Greg here from Stafford Land Rover, proudly showing you today this glorious looking and approved used Land Rover Range Rover SE, here finished in a Charente grey metallic paintwork and powered by a 3-litre D300 engine. Make sure to check out the description below as it's packed full of factory fitted extras, with key highlights including these gorgeous looking pixel LED headlight with signature DRLs and upgraded 23-inch style 1075 gloss black alloy wheels that cut through the paint beautifully. In the rear, signature shaped full LED taillights can also be found with dynamic indicators, and contrasting black roof as well as wing mirrors will also offer a sliding sunroof. For easy access, keyless entry and start with a power operated liftgate is available, split into two sections. You can lower down electrically the lower function for the vehicle, allowing you to turn it into a bench or a seating and definitely help you slide in items as well. Plenty of storage solutions are available with 40-20-40 folding split seats as well. Whilst inside the cabin, there's a gorgeous looking ebony black leather upholstery and locking seating for 3 in the back with their own 2-zone climate control all underneath the natural light of that sunroof. In the front, the decorative door and dash inserts are on offer with upgraded front sport seats that will really hug you in and offer electric memory function. The driver can further enjoy this leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, which is heated, as well as offers paddle shifts for a dynamic drive, and the interactive drive display is also available. The PV Pro connected touchscreen in the center features twin menu setups and offers the likes of a built-in satellite navigation, Bluetooth, FM and DAB digital radio, along with various other vehicle functions. But that's not all. Both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone projections are available, as well as heated front seats with a 3-stage setting. Other clever features in the vehicle will also incorporate various other ones, as you can see here, and helping you park is a 3D surround parking camera offering visibility all around to give you plenty of reassurance. Down below, 2-zone climate control can also be found with a heated front windscreen, wireless induction charger in a hidden compartment, and overhead easy controls to operate the electric sunshade blind and open that stunning sliding panoramic sunroof. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Range Rover SE that is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today.